A lot of things to do now. Fine. What we're going to do is we'll give ourselves a few minutes, maybe 2 minutes, and then we'll get started. So everybody gets an opportunity. And that's it. How was your first? Okay, so those who are not there. Okay, this is Abdullah Saqib is here. Where are the others? Surprisingly, it's 10 o'clock already. Okay, I get to see Mazam with the bird. Yeah, Muspira, I know you have no class today, isn't it? She's having a good time.
You cannot hear.
She can, oh, yeah, she's.
I'm wearing.
Okay, I get it. Yes, Safia? So is there disturbing noise from my computer? Some kind of noise is coming in. Is it better now? Safia, is it better now? Let's just check.
Yes. Now it's better.
Sure. Okay, yeah, all right, good. Now I know all of you have a lot of people around in your house and everyone's coming and going, so it's going to be a little challenging for everybody. But let's get started with simple things. Okay, so right. So there you are. Hello, Amina, Farhana. How are you all? Good. Let me see you all now. Right. So I need to do a lot of stuff now with you in computers. We have to find out what exactly would you like to do in computers. A lot of things there. So I'll open up a lot of. Okay. I've this time. So where is my camera? Okay, I have to switch on my camera as well. Who else is left now? So claim. So claim who's left any. Okay. So Sophia, can you stop the recording and restart again? So this will be a better class. We get started. Perfect. You all can see me now. I'm relaxed there for a first ICT class. We introduce this class so that we'll start getting more digitally literate. We get starting. You all know computers, don't you? You all know a lot of things about computers. How about starting with what is a mouse? What is a CPU? No? Yeah? Is that what computers is all about? Sometimes we forget what computer world is all about. Let me start with a simple conversation I want to have with you. And as we do, we'll start, giving you the nature of technology. That is what I'm going to do. But how many of you are on laptop? Just raise your hand. Okay, I can see one, two, three, four. All right, perfect. Abdullah, are you on iPad or laptop, some kind
No,
of device?
I'm on mobile.
Oh, okay, on mobile. Okay, so you have a little challenge today because what I'm going
Why
to
if you want me to switch, I'll switch it.
you can switch on, see if you can see. I'm going to teach you the ICT from today. All right, so every Tuesday first 10 o'clock we're going to do a lot about ICT. Every time I do an ICT it will divide into two parts. Part one is where I give you theory, and by the time you come in, your theory is so strong that you're ready for most. Unfortunately, most of the ICT exams even today are still theory based, correct? So we have to still do a little bit of theory, but as we go ahead we'll also do a lot of programming and coding level 1. So, once you get to hang of it, you can do much better. Trust me, coding is one of the easiest things to do once you know what you're doing. Now, first thing first, let's start with computers around us. Simple thing. Okay, computers have become the way of life now. Everything that is around you is what you call a computer. How do you define a computer? Amina, how do you define a computer?
It's used for research and it's for entertainment.
Okay, computers is for research and entertainment, all right. But that is what computers help us, right? What is a computer? Farhana?
It is a mechanical.
A mechanical device, Munif
Yes.
said? Okay,
Mechanical or technology device.
right. What do you think, Farhana?
An electronic device
An
that helps you.
electronic, okay, an electronic device that helps you. Okay, Safia, is mobile phone a computer?
No.
No. Okay, Muazzam and Mudabbir, what do you think? Is mobile phone a computer?
Yes.
Oh, yes. All right. Interestingly, what do you think, Munib?
Yes.
Why? Is mobile phone a computer? Yes. Why?
But it works like a computer also. But the difference is like you cannot download many apps as you can download in a
Okay,
computer, and there is
that's a
no
small.
arrow
Okay,
thing.
there's no arrow thing.
You
Okay,
need a
so
finger touch.
finger tap. That's so. So does it not make a computer? Amina, is car a computer?
No, it's a vehicle.
It's a vehicle. Abdullah Saqib, is a plane a computer?
No.
No. Or
Right.
Farhana? No. Muazzam?
No, the plane is controlled by a computer.
All right. Okay. What do you think, Mudabbir? Why did you say that a mobile phone is a computer?
Because a computer is something like it can do many tasks in a very less
Okay. All
period.
right.
So mobile phone can also do that.
Interesting. So can't car do like that? Cars or anything else. So what is a computer essentially? A smart device, yes, that uses microprocessor to run. And yes, thank you, Ahmed. This is what a computer is all about. A computer, anything with a smart interface, a smart programming language that uses is a computer. And today's modern cars, today's television set, the big one that is behind you, Safia, or some of your Bluetooth headphones, if the kind of work it can do, all of them, yeah, of course, they are not as what we define as a computer, but they are rudimentary devices. And all these devices use some kind of computation, right? So one of the key words in computer today is basically a computer is a device that helps you do works faster, more efficiently, and that uses some of the computing program or algorithm. And these algorithms are the language, right? What are the languages we speak? English, Hindi, Marathi, Malayalam, correct? What's a computer language then?
Coding.
Coding is a computer
Binary.
language.
Binary.
Binary. Oh, interesting. Yesterday I was speaking to Rights about binary language. So what's a binary language? Ahmed, can I? Yeah,
1.
1. Okay, interestingly, that's all. Nothing else. 0 and 1. We can do everything with zeros and one. Is that? Are you right? Are you sure, Amina? Zeros and one
It
is
is
a binary language.
programmed by 0 and 1.
It's programmed by 0 and 1. Okay, interestingly, I like the way you all are thinking. I like the way you all are doing. So everything that what's a robot? Is robot a computer? Interesting, isn't it?
Yes.
It is designed by a computer.
It is designed by a computer. What is then a computer? Is it something only you sit down and laptop? Is that a computer?
Yes.
So
Then what is the computer? Tell me, what's a computer? Anything. Remember, of course, I'm not going to the definition. You will learn
it's a
definition.
smart device that helps you control
Okay.
something.
So okay. Tell me something interesting. What does a computer's brain called?
CPU.
CPU. But CPU is a big word. Where are the CPUs? What else? CPU. Okay. All right. What is a CPU? What's inside the CPU? So I'm going more detail. All right. We are going at amygdala.
The brain of the computer.
Brain of the computer. Okay, interesting. We are going to CPU, brain of the computer, central processing unit. Anyone else? A more detailed word, a little more smaller word? One word answer? Yeah?
Motherboard.
Motherboard. Okay, motherboard actually is more like everything is on a motherboard. What else is a CPU?
Hard disk.
Hard disk is a storage
Chip.
device.
Chip.
Chip. Okay, I like the word chip. Tell me something more about the word chip. Something like a chip, but what a chip? And gates, okay, all right. What else is a chip? What else is it? Come on, go ahead. You all can think. Push yourself. Okay, So the first thing we're just talking about, basically a computer's brain is called a microprocessor. A small device. It is a chip. At the end, see, these are common words we use, and there are some words we use as a technical word. This is a technical word we use. There is a chip, a small chip, right? A size of your fingertip. And that is what a microprocessor is all about. So a computer's brain essentially is a microprocessor. When you put a microprocessor in anything, it is so small that you won't even notice, but they're everywhere. And now, what I mean by a computer is anything that has a microprocessor is actually essentially a computer for me. So your fridges have a microprocessor. Do you know that? Right? Fridge, fridge knows when to put the temperature down, overheating. Do you think air conditioners have microprocessor? What do you think? Air conditions?
Yes.
Yes.
So anything, so tell me some, okay, come on, go ahead. Tell me some devices that have microprocessor at home.
Fan, AC,
Fan doesn't have microprocessor as of now.
AC,
AC, okay, AC is good. What else?
TV,
Okay, TV. Who else can tell me something more? All right.
Oven.
Oven, yes, microwave oven. Yes, Abdullah, go ahead, tell me.
Laptops.
Laptop, of course. Computer, laptop, no doubt about it. Something more, something like you didn't think about them as computers.
well,
Fridge.
Fridge, okay, I spoke of fridge. Something else, something next to a fridge.
Washing machine.
Bulb.
Yes.
Light.
Interesting, Amina. Washing machine, really? Imagine. So our now Bai is also a computer, isn't it? She does all the work like a microprocessor. Imagine 6 months when the Bai did not come. Look at what our parents have. Mothers became computers now. So now, of course, a microprocessor makes things work. And these are the, home systems are microprocessor, right? So in fact, a modern car, what car does your father drive, Abdullah?
Camry.
Which one? Camry. Okay, Toyota Camry. All right. What about you, Muslim? What car does dad drive?
City, Honda City.
Honda City. What about you, Ahmed?
Accord.
Accord. All right. So these are all Honda families out here, isn't it? It's Honda Accord, right? Oh, these three boys are Honda family. What about you, Amina? There, I go to Toyota now. Toyota, which one? Which Toyota?
No.
Innova. All right. So we're getting cars like that. All right. And Amina's car is compared to only Farhana's one. Israr Bhai promised me to buy a car. Munib? So he's going to buy another car now. He said he'll do the first lessons. Oh, this is interesting. So tell your father. He promised me. But anyway, the point, I know your cars also. Safia, what car does your father drive?
Fiat Punto.
He's a good driver, isn't it? No? All right. And what about you, Farhana?
Yes.
Chevrolet. Enjoy.
Yeah, enjoy. That's a car we went to this, right? Now, imagine a modern car has about 60 embedded microprocessors. 60 embedded microprocessors. All right, Abdullah, can you tell me why would you use a microprocessor in a car?
I don't know what is its function.
Yeah, tell me, what do you do in a car? What are the electronic things? What are the computational things you do in a car? Ahmed, what are kind of things? Yeah?
Setting the speed.
Okay, an auto cruise speed. So, when Abba wants to drive all the way down to Dubai, Abu Dhabi, that's it. Auto speed, a microprocessor takes care. Ahmed, what else does a car do?
AC.
Okay, AC, what else, Ahmed?
Fans.
Fan?
Yeah. The
What
AC has fan inside them.
Okay, or the AC is a unit. Yes, all right. So AC is a unit. But what else can a car do?
Indicators.
Indicator. Come on, go think a little more deeper. Okay, auto steering. Okay, that's auto steering. But what else?
Charging plugs.
All right. Okay, but what do you do when you
That's
get lost?
driving.
Self-driving is good. Safia, what do you search for when you are lost? What do you do?
Google Maps.
Google
GPS.
Maps, GPS, that's the right word. The car uses a GPS system, right? Global positioning system. All these are worked by microprocessor. That's what a car does. It could be anything from auto driving to, when the seats are comfortable. There's some cars, okay, my car anyway doesn't do that, but there's some cars you can put your seat, so when Shabana Appa starts sitting, she can put point number 1 and the seat declines like that. When Imran is sitting, the seat comes like that. All these are computational work that cars do. And these are what microprocessors done. Very simple. Okay. Now go back and tell me, why would you need a microprocessor in the hospitals? Munib, what do you need a microprocessor in the hospital? Think of all the devices in the hospital.
For that, there's a meter for checking if the man has or the person has died or not that.
Okay, oh, that goes up and down. Oh, that doctor
Yes,
will
so
die.
I don't
Doctor,
know.
the patient will die. Hey, वो देखो that. Hey, ऊपर जा रहा है. Hey, नीचे कर इसको. That is it, Munib. The doctor
I don't know
patient.
what it is called.
What is it called? That Mudabbir. What is that called? Up, down, up, down.
Heartbeat.
Heartbeat. But what is the machine called, Farhana? Let me see. Who are that doctors here? सबके पेशेंट मरने वाले आज तो. Amina, what's that called?
A pumper.
A pumper. Interesting. Okay. All right. Okay.
Heartbeat machine. Heart rating machine.
Heart rate machine. Okay. What are the other devices? Go tell. We'll get the answers. What are the other devices? CPU. What do you?
X-ray machine.
X-ray machine. What else do you do?
Injection.
No. Okay. Injection is auto drip. Drip is very mechanical in nature. What are the things you do in a hospital? Not seen an MRI
Heart lung
machine.
machine.
Heart lung machine. What is that? Oh, yeah, he's a
It is
doctor.
used. No, it is used in. It is used in heart surgery.
Just because Abba doctor है कुछ भी बोलोगे, we will accept it. Yeah.
No,
But
it's
actually,
really.
okay, there is a okay. So there is a CAT scanner, there is an MRI scanner. There is the computing thing itself. So many things you use. You use micro in retail when you go to a D-Mart or a Reliance Fresh. The only thing when you scan something, right, at the end of it, that also is a microprocessor. So what we are doing is today we just mute yourself, Safia. We are or is it Munib? One of you. Munib. Okay, it's okay. Right? So basically, that's all. This is the only funda or theory I wanted to give you. But this is what a computer is all about. A computer has two things that we want to start with. Number one, we are talking about anything with a microprocessor can be defined as a computer. And number two, this is a language that a computer uses. It's a simple language called a binary code. Right? So essentially, if you look at a binary code, this is how it look like. You cannot make out what a code is all about, but these are small sizes. It's called bits, and together it's a byte, right? This is what a binary code looks like. A binary number system is what an entire algorithm, all the computers of the world are based on this. This is just one language. Isn't it easy? Then there are different languages a computer will use, but ultimately behind every language, this is it. It's like the words. Every language has words or sound. That's right. You can speak in Spanish, German, Malayalam, English, Marathi, Hindi, anything else in the world. The sounds are the same, but each sound may make a different thing. That is how the numbers will come across. This is what we are doing. So binary numbers or codes are, digital devices. You enter information. This is what we're doing, like the alphabet we use or the letters we use. And this is how A to Z in binary looks like. We will not get into too many of these, but what I wanted to explain to you is slowly, every time I'll come to you, I'll explain a little bit of technology, a little bit of theory, but then we'll also do a lot of hands-on practical, which is what I want to do. I wonder where's Sakleen today, but now, since you all are on computer, yeah, Abdullah, it's okay, just you can undo it. Okay, you're showing me the heart lung machine. Oh, thank you so much. No, show again one more time. So we know that he's a doctor's son. Right, so that's a heart lung machine, interestingly. Okay. So complicated, but definitely these have microprocessors, what we call chips inside, but the language is now very clear. Okay, now what I want to do is two things with you. In ICT period, I also want to tell you that as we enter the Zoom meetings and we start doing these programs, I'm sure you all are using your registered IDs, right? So when you log in, you're already on Zoom. Are you all on Zoom? Like
Yes.
you are registered through Zoom, correct? So at some point I'll experiment in my next class or some other class that I will make a click on the Zoom app which says only registered emails are allowed. If ever you're not allowed, immediately call me. So I'll be relaxed. Let's say Shabana ma'am's class or Alfia ma'am's class, I will do those experimentation. So we'll know that only authenticated users are coming in. That's again another use of technology, right? Now, everyone knows the email addresses very correctly. You all can. If I tell you to go to a browser, can you all go to a browser now? How many of you have learned Scratch computing? Little bit of Scratch. All of you have done a little bit of Scratch? Amina has done Scratch. What about Ahmed? Muazzam? Don't worry, if you don't remember, no problem at all. We will learn something about Scratch today. So I'm going to give you a program and it's fun. As much as I'm teaching you, I was learning about Scratch. So let me go to my share screen. Let me see if I can open up a computer screen for you so you can see a little bit of this. Here you are. Okay, so I want you to go to this website, scratch.mit.edu. You can see that? Okay, if you can, right now, I'll put it on your chat. I'll stop the share and I'll put it on the chat so you all can see it. All of you in your computer, just click on this, scratch.mit.edu. Very simple, right? Right? Amina, are you any help required? Call me up and I'll shout and help you out.
I'm clicking on it, but it is not coming.
Oh, she's already on. Munib, Safia, any help required? Please tell me.
When I'm clicking on it, it's not coming.
It's not coming? Okay.
I'll have to type it.
No, you can. Are you able to click on it, Farhana? Safia?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so did you go to scratch.mit.edu? If you
Yes.
can't, if you can't go, then you can type it. It's not difficult now. So there you are. I can see scratch.mit.edu now. Now what I'm going to do is something very simple. You have to create your login. I of course have done it a little time before. So all you need to do is go to your login page, and now because I've logged in, I logged out. So
I
log
have
out.
start creating and join.
Yes, okay. So now what it says is either sign in or join Scratch. So all of you join Scratch, right? Go ahead. Everybody join Scratch. Anybody who's not able to do or is just passive, tell me, I'll help you. For example, Abdullah, you can now switch to your laptop. It's much better, easier. You can
I
still
switched.
do.
I
Oh,
switched.
wonderful. You've done that. Okay.
Given an option of username.
Yeah, so create a username, whatever username you want to create, and then type a password. So now usually I'll give you a simple example. Always create a username which is almost like the first half of your email. So for example, if your email is aminaaga@gmail.com, just write aminaaga. It's easier, right? Then Munib, tell me.
See, I am getting like this, not like you got.
Share your screen. Go ahead, share your screen. I can see your screen now. Munib, share screen.
I cannot share if you are sharing.
It says you cannot share it. Okay.
No. While other participants are sharing, I cannot share.
Okay, I'll do that. 1 minute. Okay. I will stop my screen share. Go ahead, Munib. Share screen now. Can you share now? Safia,
Yes, I can.
am I the host? Safia, can you please make me the host so I can help Munib now?
Yeah.
See,
Okay, Munib is sharing. Perfect. That's all. Okay. Now, okay, Munib, go to Scratch. Yeah, click on that.
this
Click on this one. Yes, the first one. Okay. All right. Perfect. Now this is good. Okay. Join Scratch now. Right. Scratch. Join it. Come on. Okay. All right. Okay. Good. Now create a username. Yeah. Okay. So
I got
whatever
it.
Munib Sayyed is there, go ahead now. Do it. Don't show your password. You can unshare your screen now. Munib. Great. Okay. Who else have created the email ID? Safia and Amina, you've created now. You are in it. You may have.
Also,
to
do you have to put the email ID or just a
No, we
name?
have
What
to
is-
add the country also.
You have to add the country. So it'll take step 1, step 2, step 3 also. All right.
Yeah. I have to have
sir,
an
is
email
it
address
okay
or
to
only
do?
name?
Sir,
Anything is fine. Usually I write the first part of email address. That's the username. So, you can write Abdullah Saqib, not at gmail.com. Anyway, it'll ask you your Gmail ID. So it will help you out. Okay. You will have to go.
Is
Yeah,
it
And
yeah.
what about the
Compul-
password?
Any password, whatever password you may look easy. You can always go and change your password. So not an issue.
Is it compulsory to write the first name, or I can write
Yeah,
my
anything. You can write Mo Salah for that I know. Unless Mo Salah has
I
any-
am writing MS11.
Yeah, but you must remember, that's very important. All right. Which step is Ahmed? Which step are you on, Ahmed? Very close all of this. It's easier for
I'm
you.
on the country one.
Okay. Go ahead. Log in. It's absolutely okay. You will take some time, but we are doing good. Okay. You want me to do a new one with you? So I can do a new one also. I'll log out. I will register with you again in a new ID. So you will see what I'm trying to do. Okay. I'll also help you out. So you can.
I did it out, sir.
You did it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
fantastic, Farhana. So I'm creating another one, just creating Golden Sparrow, okay? And password, okay, I'll just keep a password, which is whatever. What do I do? Okay, I'll put Mandela 1. Let's just first one. So I think you all are taken by, username is taken by somebody. Okay, there you are. So you know what I'm trying to do. I'll go next, the country is selected. So all, is it easy? Is it simple
Do
one?
we have to do all the steps, or do we have to wait?
No, keep going. This is just one little step now, the month and the year, and then you are done.
Yeah, also my I don't know, it's not.
Why is it not coming for you? Okay, so this is it. No, got it. No, that's it. Did you all go to this step? Abdullah, did you go to this step so far?
No, I'm still on my name and password. Username and
Why
password.
not? Quickly, go
I have
ahead.
done
No,
this.
it's not.
So I have done the same.
Okay, I can see. Okay, Amina has done it. Okay, I'm going to stop this one also. I don't need to. So you can see this, right? I go back to my old Scratch. Come on, everybody. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you show what a Scratch program is, but I want you to do this program with me. So let me stop screen for 1 minute and ask everyone of you. Amina's done. Okay, Safia, have you done?
Yes.
You logged in?
Yes. I just have to save it.
Okay, or Muazzam Mudabbir, what about you? Amina just, sorry, Amina, Farhana? Okay, this is good. Safia, please mute yourself for a minute. Okay, because I can see other teachers. It's okay, we have a lot of classes going on. Keep muting yourself also. Everybody learn to just mute, unmute. Munib, do that same. Okay, all right. Abdullah, do the same thing. Mute yourself as you speak. So other speakers' sound is very loud. Muazzam, what about you?
Yeah,
Muazzam,
almost done, sir.
done? Okay, you all are done. So I'll go show you a Scratch program. Don't worry. We're going to do some fun, but it'll be really fun when you all are with me in the Scratch part. Okay, but still just be with me on a Scratch part. Ahmed, you done as well?
Yes.
Okay, now let's just make a Scratch program. That's all. If you are in Scratch, just learn how to make a project in Scratch. That's it. I'm going to click on this one, or I can go and click on create. So when I click on create, it will open up a new screen for me, a screen that will tell me how to create a program. Okay, let's create a program. That's it. Scratch is a very simple program. It uses blocks. These are what I call blocks. Can you see this? This is a block. That's all. Everybody, can you come to this page and show me your page now? The ones who have not been to, I will help you out. Don't worry. Okay? It's the first program. We may take only 10 minutes now, but I'll just teach you what to do on a Scratch. Okay, right? Can you all see my screen for 2 minutes? Everybody, can you see my screen? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the first Scratch program. What is Scratch? This girl, this little cat is actually basically a Scratch. Let's call her Scratchy. Okay? And for Scratchy, what do? I need something to do. So when you do something here, right? When you do something here is where the blocks will be formed. This girl, this Scratchy cat will move. So now let's say I start with, what do I start with? Motion. So I want this Scratchy to move 10 steps. Easy one. That's the easiest one. So I put, can you see I drag and drop the 10 steps here? Now let me do control. Okay, what do I do? Where does she move in 10 steps? So maybe I will ask her to wait for 1 second after that. Operators. So they see everything is like one or two things are happening. Very simple. Motion was the blue one. Look, sound. So I will ask her to play the sound meow. She'll move 10 steps and play the sound meow. But how do we start? How do we actually make this happen? Are you there with me, all of you? Are you able to see what's happening? See, if I click
Yes.
on
Yes. Yes.
this is, you see? Can you see meow sound, or was my computer sound off? Okay, 1 minute. Yeah,
We
I
can
don't-
hear.
We could hear the
We could
sound.
hear the
You
sound.
could hear the sound? Oh, wonderful. Then it was good. But then what
Sir,
happened
it
is,
is asking something I didn't
Munib,
understand.
no, after this, I'll help each one of you. But very importantly, I have to click. So I'll tell you simple step, all right? After I do motion, motion means movement. So blue is motion, sound is purple, yellow was an event after, and I take on event again. But when do I want the cat to make a sound? I can take this and I can put on. It's like a block. It's like a Lego thing. What does it say, Abdullah Saqib? What does it say? The yellow one, top yellow one. Can you see it?
It's not clear.
Okay, Muazzam, can you read it for me, please?
When click,
Okay, when the flag is clicked. Okay, so now I made a simple program for you. That's all. If you see, all I've done is I made a very simple program. When the flag is clicked, the cat will do what I told the cat to do. So this is my flag. I'm clicking on the flag. There you are, the flag. Now I can do so many things with it. I will teach you something very interesting, but I want you all to do with me. The fun is when you do with me. Right now, it's not fun enough, but I can go back. And you know, those who are good in Scratch, I can go to something called background. Okay. Now there's so many backgrounds I can play with. There are like brilliance of background, and I will go to a background. I want to teach you something in a background, and I'll teach each one of you. Don't worry. I'm not going to give up on you, Munib or Safia. So can you see my XY background now? Yes. So what I
Yes.
do is I want this cat. This one, I can put it here. It's all gone. It's all gone. Now I want the cat to go here. So whatever I go, I can see in the motion what it says. It can go here. Okay, all right. And see, when it goes here, this changes X, Y. So I can keep this here. I want the cat to go here. It changes again. So I can keep it here. Okay. And I'll tell you when, what to do. It can go here, but then I can go here. Now I want the cat to move like this again and again. So what I do is I can again go to control, and again I can see the flag, and let me see the flag if it works out or not. Okay, I am missing out something in the loop. Okay, so I will go something on control, and I will forever. I'll repeat this whole thing. Does it go all okay? No, I need a loop to make it better. Okay, I will create some more things. It's okay. Where do I do? No, what is happening is right now what you're too much of sound, right? See, it's because it's forever. What is happening right now is a mistake, and I want to teach you. See, what's happening is when I click on this, actually the cat is going, but the cat is going so fast you can't see anything. So I need some delays. So I'm putting a delay now. Okay, let me go to control, and I'm going to wait for some time after each thing. 1 second is too little, so let me wait for 5 seconds. Okay, and I'm going to copy this. Let me see now. You can see now. Okay, wait for 5 seconds here as well. Wait for 1 second here as well. Can the loop happen? Okay. Okay, now my loop is ready. I'll just make the cat move a little. Hold on for a while. The cat will move in 2 minutes for all of you. But very importantly, motion control and event, I can add a pen. Oh, there's so many things I can do with it. This is actually brilliant. But because you are all okay, I did a small software. Let me go back to my Scratch. What am I missing about? Let me go to my project. Hold on. Can I go to my project and save my project first? Just let me save it for some time. Can I go to my... Okay. Mandela 1. I will make it better. Okay. Where is my project? Is my project anywhere around? Okay. Okay. Now, what is happening is I'm showing you a small Scratch program. Can you see the cat moving now? When I click on this, the cat was moving. After 10, yeah, after 5 seconds, it goes down. Again, it goes here. It will keep moving. So can you see the cat moving now? Maybe 5 seconds too much for you. I'll make it 1 second, okay? And I will make it better. Now let the cat go. See, it's going. I can do so many things. I can add up something called pen. Right now, I don't want to add. This is a pen, okay? Now, if I add a pen up, let me say, what do I want to do? I want to color this with blue, red. I can teach it to add colors to it. It will start adding color to it. I can erase this. I can make it better. But right now, that's not the point. I'm stopping the screen share because you just learned a very simple first Scratch program. But there is no fun if you don't do it with me. You know, the real fun is I want you to do it. Can I ask one of you to share a screen so I'll teach you how to work on Scratch? Muazzam and Mudabbir, can you show me your screen? Just share your screen and see. Let me see what have you done.
Sir, I have a problem. It is asking something about pictures to me.
Each one of you, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one tutorial and make you into breakout room, or I'm going to take you offline, maybe in the evening. I'll share with you. Okay. Let me see what Muazzam and Mudabbir. Okay, Muazzam and Mudabbir has got the Scratchy right. Muazzam and Mudabbir, why don't you go start with the motion? Okay, let's go to background. Let us teach you the same way I taught you. Just go to your background. Okay, go down. Yeah. Keep going. Extreme corner. No, Muazzam. Go to the extreme corner. Take your cursor to the cat. Put your cursor on the cat. Okay, go down now. Complete down. Okay, this is like an algorithm. Complete down. End of the page. And no, keep down. In the corner. Where is my annotation? Yeah. Choose the background. Now click on the background. Now go down again. Skim down as much as you can. Skim down. Okay, can you see XY axis? Yeah. Okay, 1 minute. It's a little slow, but it'll happen. Just wait. Let it all unfold. Amina, Abdullah, you will do? Yeah, go to grid, XY grid. We'll do an XY grid today. So suddenly you got an XY grid. All right. Abdullah, are you on the same page with me? Amina and Abdullah and Farhana, Safia?
No, doubt, sir. I didn't get how did you get over here?
What did you not get, Abdullah? How did I get here to this page?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe each one of you can become a teacher with each other. Muazzam, how did you go here? Which page did you go? Okay, Abdullah, can you share screen now? Farhana, can you share? Are you all on the same page with me? Farhana.
Yes, yes.
Okay, she's there. What about Ahmed and
Yes,
Safiya?
sir.
Amina, are you there? Okay, all right. Don't worry. Others who are not, I will help you, each one of you. But slowly we're doing. Okay, now what Mudabbir and Muazzam can do is, what do you want to do? You want to take a cat to a new place, right? We want to make sure the cat can do. Okay, we want to make sure that the cat can actually start from here. Okay, and then she can go here, and then she can go here, and then she can go here. Can you see my cursors, my pointers? So why don't you put your cat there, right here? Put your cat here, Muazzam. Okay. Now, when you put your cat here, you can see the numbers are changing here. X, Y. See, can you see that? Can you see I'm annotating? Pull this out. Pull where am I annotating? Pull this out and put it on the screen. Yes, absolutely. Now, take your cat to other part, somewhere here, maybe. Okay. Now, again, you see the numbers have changed. Pull this out. Okay. Put your cat in the third place. Pull it out again. Okay. Again, a cat to the fourth place. Now, pull that out again. Doing good, right? Okay, let me go to my screen, what I've done. Okay, now, but I want it to be on a motion, right? So now go to the blue cursor. Come on. Go to the blue cursor. Okay, with blue is motion. Go to event now. We've done the motion part, but I want the event to happen, right? Okay, event is when it's click. Okay, this is good. But I want a control. So go to orange one. Good enough. Go to orange. Yeah, click on orange. Now, what do I want? When do I want? I want the cat will move so fast that I will not know what to do. So go to wait first. Yeah, go to wait. Yeah, click on wait and put it below the green. Each wait below blue one. Yeah, okay. Again below blue one. Again. Abdullah, I'll help you. If you're lost, don't worry. Okay, but I want this loop. Okay, do the forever. Perfect. Yeah, all right. Okay, go ahead. Yes, you got it. Okay, now this is not enough. Okay, press on the green. Yeah, press on the green thing. Let me see if it's working or not. Press the green one here. Okay, the cat is moving, right? Okay, thank you. Unshare your screen. I want Farhana to share her screen now. Okay. This is your first scratch. You guys are doing good. The ones who are not doing, Munib, Safiya, I'm going to help you. Don't worry, we're going to come to each one of you. If not, I'll come on the phone call to help you. Farhana has already done it. Farhana, can you go to background the way I taught Muazzam? Yeah, okay. We're going to do the same thing for everybody. But then you don't have to worry. Save it. Muazzam, whatever, save it. Go down. Okay, why don't we change you want to change the background to the wall? Okay, go to the wall, Farhana. Yeah, click on the wall. Any wall. Yeah, okay. All right, so now we got a cat. Can I make a cat jump now, Farhana? Yeah, okay. So first go to motion, blue one. What do you want the cat to do? Is there some jumping out there? No jumping? Okay. All right. Farhana, your
No, sir, I got to the same page.
Oh, Abdullah has got it. Okay, good. Farhana, I think we'll do the jumping later. Let's go back to what we're doing. Okay, let me switch background to backdrop, because once the background changes, a lot of things can change also with the cat. So I'll have to first start operating and do my experiments and come back to you. Okay, let's go to XY. I want to see if you are doing XY better. Okay, good. You're going good. Safiya, have you gone to the same page? Safiya, can you unmute and speak up until when Farhana is doing it? Yeah, Farhana, drag the cat to 3 screens now. Screen 1, okay. Now, when screen 1 is here, please drag this one. Okay, perfect. Or as Farhana is doing. Safiya, can you share your screen, please, with me? Okay, Farhana, keep doing it. Okay, Ahmed, are you on the same page with me?
How will I screen share because Farhana is screen
No, it's okay. Are you on the same page for Safiya? On Scratch? No? Okay. Munib, you are also not there, right? So Safiya and Munib, I'll take you a little later. I'll explain how things work on Scratch. Okay, Farhana is doing good with the Scratch.
No, it is something. It is not about Scratch. It is something asking about pictures and maths, then something like that. When I do it, it is saying it is not correct.
Okay. Farhana, can you unshare? Now I got Farhana. Okay, I want you to do the whole screen. Farhana, you're doing very good. But now because the seconds are not there, your scratching, the cat is moving so fast that it looks in the same place. Remember to put the timer there. Farhana, congratulations, that your first Scratch program you did. Amina, you did well. Munib, can you share screen? I'll help you with it now. Ahmed, after that, I want Ahmed to share the screen. Oh, we're almost there, 40 minutes. I will not take too much of your time. What is your next class?
It's life skills.
Life skills.
Okay, all right, fine. Okay. Munib, share your screen with me, please. Okay. Is Munib able to share the screen? What happened to Munib? Where is Munib now? Okay, where did you go to Chimney? Why did you go to Chimney, Munib?
I don't know when I
Rahul sir, it will ask you
Yes.
to verify.
It is that you're not a robot. So Munib, which are the chimneys here? Okay, help. Okay, this is, just click on the last one, the middle one, Munib. Okay, top one, first one, click on the first. No, is this a chimney, Munib? It's not a chimney. Yeah, first one is a chimney. Okay, below that is a chimney. Okay, and the last one, middle one, last line, middle one. Okay, verify. Go ahead. Oh, Munib got stuck in a chimney. All right, fantastic. You're logged in. Get started. That's it, Munib. Safia, where are you? Munib, unshare screen. Get started. Safia, share screen, please. Okay, Safia. Good. Oh, this is Dawood way sharing screen. All right. Oh, Safia, you're logged in. Oh, brilliant. Safia, click on create there. Can you go to create on top in the blue line? Yes, brilliant. Yeah, go ahead. Doing good. Fantastic. Okay, Safia, you all have reached level 1. I was not expecting you to do that in level 1, but you're doing good. So I'll leave you with something else. Safia, you're already on your Scratchy screen. I will not ask you to do it now because of the time limit, but you're already there. I will help you, Munib and Safia, if you are missing on anything. Ahmed, can you share a screen?
Also, I did it. Also.
Brilliant, Abdullah. Wow, go get a shawarma today evening. Okay. All right. I want Ahmed Kazi to share his screen. It might be a little slow first time, guys, but inshallah, next week, all of us will be on the same page. We'll keep doing the Scratch together. Okay? All right, Ahmed, can you share your screen, please? And if it's 45, tell me, I'll close the class. Ahmed is not there. Amina, share the screen.
Yes, I got that.
Okay, good. Amina, share screen. I want to see every screen today before going. Okay. Oh, Amina's already there. Amina, put the catty on top. So let me quickly do. Amina's already done half of the work. So when I do annotation, Amina, put your cat here. Okay. Now drag this here. Okay, drag inside. Drag this one. Amina, this one. This top one. Yeah, drag it here. Okay. Now put the cat again here. Anywhere. Here, anywhere. Put the cat down. Okay. Again the number changes. See, Amina? Drag it here again. Down. Oh, okay, up is fine. Anything is fine. Okay. All right, good. Amina, put the cat here now. Just go up directly. Okay. Now done. Amina has done the motion part well. Mudabbir, what should Amina do next? What's the next, sir? Okay, Amina, drag this first. Yes, go ahead. Drag. Good. Okay. What should Amina do next? Quickly, anyone help me? Amina, now it's okay. Amina, you don't have to, just have to move the cat. So now we want control. Go to your control, Amina. No, it's okay. We want to go to cat. Okay, go to control. Okay. Now you wait for a second. So take this 1 second everywhere and put it in between every time again you go. Safia, as you're seeing Amina, I want you to do it the same way. What I'm teaching Munib, I want you to do the same way. Okay, good. Okay, good. Keep it down again. One more. Oh, wow. This is fun. One more. Okay, yes, go down below. Okay, Amina, I want you to go to, now the process is forever. Can you see this forever? So like this has to happen forever. Okay, good. On top. Yeah, top. Yeah, it's automatic. Yeah, good. Okay, now let's start. So let's go to operation. Where was event? Sorry, go to the yellow one, Amina. Event. Up. Yeah, okay. This yellow one. Okay. Click on it. Perfect. On top. Yeah, put it on top. Are you there, Safia, with me? All right. Okay. Now click on the flag and let's see if it's working. Oh, good, Amina. She is going. The Scratchy is moving. Wow. Good work. Okay. Close your screens. All right. Good. All of you, congratulations. You did your first Scratch. All of you scratch a little. Come on, scratch. Yeah, there you are. Don't worry. Okay. We'll do a little better. Quickly tell me a summary. Is this class good? Can we go and do a little more deeper Scratch programs?
Yes.
Yeah, everyone. Ahmed, are you there? Last minute, can I see you?
Yes.
Okay. So one thing before we go, you want to play something on the Scratch if you want to. Change your background. This is what I would love to do. Send me a screenshot. I'll create one Google Classroom. It's not an assignment right now, but what I've done is I've taken a little further. So if you see my screen now, I have made a pen also. Right now I don't have time. Otherwise, what will happen is there will be a pen annotation all across. So when I will do this at some point, I want this Scratchy, this cat, to actually make an entire sound like this. This is how the Scratch will do. It'll be fun. This is exactly what your Scratch pen can do. Only thing, pen is not there in an automated Scratch program. So we have to create an extra pen, and we will add on, and I will change the pen to color. So I can do, okay, this is a lot of the, my annotation is on. I'll close my annotation. But this, I think I'll do it for the next class. Enough for your first class. Okay, quickly, Scratch is interesting, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, great. Okay, fantastic. You can leave. There is no assignment per se, but please do something on the Scratch. Keep scribbling. This is brilliant. If you learn Scratch, inshallah, we'll do Scratch for the next 4 weeks. You will be masters at Scratch. Then we'll go to level 2, maybe Python or maybe some other programming. All right, everybody? Fantastic, everyone. Okay, see you for your next class. Be prepared. All the best.
Sir, see mine now. I have done.
Okay, Munib, sorry, I didn't see yours. Go ahead, Munib. Everyone else can leave. Okay, everyone else can leave if you want to. Munib and Safia, please stay for 2 minutes. Others can stay for your friends, but you all can leave also. Yeah, Munib, go ahead. Munib, you did this. This is yours?
Yes.
That's nice. Okay, Munib, go ahead. Only thing, your loop is not there, Munib. So this will only happen once. So go back to your event. All right. Okay. And guys, help me, right? Okay, I'm also learning Scratch as much as you are learning. No, go back to your control, Munib. Control. Okay, go to forever. Yeah, click on forever. Drag forever. Yeah, drag forever. Drag it and put it under the. Yeah, absolutely perfect. Okay, now click on your this thing. Let me see if it's going or not. What am I missing? Okay, Munib, I think what we have done wrong is you have to swap it. Wait 1 second, goes down. Munib, this wait, this swip it. Put the blue on top, Munib. Put the blue on top. Any blue? No, not duplicated. Hold on. Abdullah and Safia and all can leave if you want to. I'll help Munib here. Farhana.
Munib, press the red button up there beside the green flag. Press it. It will stop. Yeah.
Oh, wonderful! Look at that. Okay, Munib, you have to just swap these two. Yeah, I will annotate and help you. Hold on. Okay, Munib, why don't you? No, it's okay. No, don't remove it. Munib, no. Munib, just delete this. Just delete this one. Just delete this also. Just delete it.
How?
Just go and click on it. Click on it and delete it. No, not this. Munib, not this. This one. Yeah, this one. Yellow one. Munib, yellow one. Yeah, go click. Okay, drag it out. Oh, okay, leave it there. It's okay. It's gone. Munib, everything is gone now. Okay, all right. Munib, I have to clear my first. Okay, good. Yeah, good. Perfect, Munib, perfect. Now go to 1 second wait. Go to 1 second wait. Drag it. Put it below now. Put it below this. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now go to motion. Yes. Okay. Put the cat down now. Put the cat somewhere here. Okay. Now drag this portion part. Drag it here. Put it here. Okay. All right. Okay. That's it, Munib. Don't worry. Now click on the green flag. Let me see what's happening. Saving a project. Okay, green fan. What am I missing, Munib, with you? Experts, tell me what am I missing in Munib? Or should I go back to my Scratch program? Go to control. Your wait 1 second is okay. Munib, go back and put wait here. Yeah, okay. Now the loop is complete. All right, click on this. Why is this not going here?
So there should be, I think there should be one more. Wait 1 second.
Munib, see, look at this. The problem. See, this is called diagnosis. Look at both the numbers. The numbers are same. The cat is in the same place, Munib. You see, the numbers are same. So you do not drag your cat down. Your cat should go down first. Munib, put your cat here down. Now go to motion. Go to motion. Okay. All right. Please put your cat down. Now go to motion. Munib, click on motion. All right. Okay. Now put your cat down now, Munib.
It's automatically going off.
No, it will because your flag is on. Okay. Okay, Munib, right now I think you have a class. I don't want to delay. I will help you. You have to undo everything and start from beginning. Right now, stop it.
Wait,
Yeah.
it is.
Okay,
so
I'm
it is
ending the
stopped.
class, Safia. Safia, I'll help you later. But other than that, show me your crash program next week. Anything, you can call me in the evenings and message me. All right? Okay. Munib, I'm ending the class right now.
Okay.
Okay, you can